What's going on, viewers, YouTubers alike? Anybody stopping in saying hey to us or just coming by to see what's happening over there with Big Sammy? We're just detailing the little 1500, I wish, 2500 HD Chevrolet. There she is. Got the outside done, but I wanted to show you guys a little trick. Or if you guys are using another product. A lot of people look at my truck and they say, man, you keep that thing clean and even dirty. Like right now, it's just been wiped down, but you know, you can see little dirt marks or dry areas. But if you look at the dashboard, it looks like it's been armor-alled. A lot of people say, I mean, I know I haven't done it. I don't do it every time, but you know, you can spray it down every time. This is the product I like to use, Maguire's gold class rich leather. And what I do to get a good shine and let it work, I spray it down like that there. I'll spray my seats down, my leather, and you can also do this for the dashboard too if you want. I don't do it every time because sometimes it will shine so much that, well, it'll be hard to see out the front glass. So you spray her down like that. This is how I do it. I even spray my back seats down. I'll go ahead and spray my plastics too, to get a good coat on them. Some people might say, hey, look, you know, you use too much and get it all on your glass. That's okay, because I go back and wipe the glass anyways. I wipe the glass down and make sure the glass is done. See, like that little area right there, I don't know if you guys can see that, but put some on there, let it set in, and she'll look like she's been oiled up again. So there you go. And then this stuff here, if you read the instructions, it says use the applicator and then wipe off the excess. But what I do is I'll go ahead and I just spray it right on the leather, and then you wipe it because it's going to wipe the excess off. See there, right there? Get all your cracks. And if it gets in the cracks, like right there, you'll see a little bit in the crack. What I'll do is I'll soak it up out of the cracks because I don't like it to sit in the cracks either. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna wipe the rest of this down. I'm not gonna let y'all sit there and be bored and watch me work, but that's how I do it. And that keeps a good shine on your leather, keeps your leather in condition, keeps it from cracking. Just to let you guys know, this is a 2016 truck, so it is old, but man, you look at the leather, and like I said, we use this truck now. It's not a truck that is just me that sits in it, but people use the back seats. But that's pretty good, isn't it? 2016, it leather still looks good and it's not cracked. So anyways, hope this helps somebody. Y'all like and subscribe, leave me a comment on what y'all use for your leather. Maybe I'll switch. All right, y'all, peace out, take care, and be safe. Big Sammy, peace.